Driverless trucks will actually make the technician shortage worse. Now, from our standpoint, driverless trucks will provide us a great opportunity, because think about it. If you have a truck that's running now 16 hours a day or 13 hours a day, driverless, it's going to run 23 hours and 30 minutes a day, which means it's going to need more preventative maintenance, right? It's going to need more brake jobs. It's going to need more after treatment regens, right? So driverless trucks will actually make the technician shortage more acute. The second question that we get is what impacts will electric trucks have on the industry? From our standpoint, what we do at American Diesel, because we focus on the fundamentals, and I would argue this would be very typical for your typical truck shop, it will actually have a positive impact. Because remember, there are very little engine teardowns that happen, but these same electric trucks have brakes. They need preventative maintenance. They're going to wear out. They're going to need wheels and tires. So from a technician issue, we're going to need more technicians, the same, just to service electric trucks. But it really will be an opportunity for the industry as a whole, because the same key breakdowns, mechanical issues are going to happen on an electric truck as happens on a traditional truck. The thing that I would say is we're going to need to step up our technician electrical training, because so many of these things, the electrical systems and componentry are more sophisticated.